Hey, only 5% of people who start the keto diet actually stick with it long term. The rest, they give up in just a few weeks. Why? Because they don't know the secret that makes keto work. Want to know what that secret is? Before we go deep, don't forget to check out our website, www.nutrislab.com. It's linked right in the description. We've got tons of detailed product reviews, health and beauty articles, and essential wellness tips, all tailored to help you hit your personal health goals. Now, let's talk keto. It's been called the ultimate low-carb lifestyle. But let's be real, why do some people see insane results and others crash and burn? Let's figure that out. So here's the truth. Most people get excited about the keto diet in the beginning. They hear about fast fat loss, boosted energy, clearer skin, and no more sugar crashes. Sounds amazing, right? But then reality kicks in. Day 2, they're hungry. Day 3, they miss bread. Day 5, they're standing in the kitchen at 11 p.m. staring at a chocolate bar, trying to convince themselves that just one bite won't hurt. That's what I call the keto wall. And trust me, hitting that wall is what causes most people to quit. Here are the top 5 challenges most people face on keto. 1. Constant carb cravings. 2. Not knowing what to eat or how to meal prep. 3. Feeling low on energy. 4. Making mistakes that kick them out of ketosis. 5. Lack of motivation to keep going. Sound familiar? If you've ever tried keto, you've probably hit one or all of those walls. So what actually separates the people who thrive from the ones who give up? Let's break this down and dig deep into the science and strategy behind making keto work. What is the keto diet really? The keto diet is a high-fat, moderate-protein, low-carb diet. The goal is simple. Switch your body's main energy source from carbs to fat. When you do that, your liver creates something called ketones. This is what fuels your body when carbs are almost gone. This fat-burning state is called ketosis, and it's the sweet spot for fat loss, mental clarity, and stable energy. To get there, you need to follow this basic macro formula. 70% fats, 25% protein, 5% carbs. That means most of your calories come from fats like olive oil, butter, avocado, and fatty meats. Protein should be moderate. Too much, and it can stop ketosis. Carbs? You're aiming for just 20 to 50 grams of net carbs per day. That's less than a single banana. Understanding what you can and can't eat. A lot of people mess up here. They think keto is just cut out bread or don't eat sugar. But it's more complex than that. Keto-friendly foods. Meats, chicken, beef, turkey, lamb, fish, salmon, sardines, tuna. Eggs, whole eggs, preferably organic. Healthy fats, avocado, nuts, coconut oil, ghee. Low-carb veggies, spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini. Full-fat dairy, cheese, heavy cream. Foods to avoid. Grains, rice, wheat, oats. Fruits, most are high in sugar. Starches, potatoes, corn. Sugar, in all forms, including honey and agave. Processed snacks, crackers, chips, sweetened drinks. Reading labels becomes essential. Even things that look healthy, like low-fat yogurt or protein bars, can be loaded with sugar and hidden carbs. What happens when you first start keto? The first 3 to 5 days are rough for most people. You might feel tired, irritable, foggy. This is called the keto flu. It's not dangerous, but it's annoying. It happens because your body is transitioning from burning carbs to burning fat. Here's how to get through it. Drink more water, at least 3 liters a day. Replenish electrolytes. Add pink salt or magnesium to your meals. Don't panic. It's temporary and means ketosis is starting. How to stay in ketosis. Staying in ketosis is where the magic happens. But it takes discipline. You need to avoid sneaky carbs, especially in sauces, drinks, and snacks. Track your macros using apps like Carb Manager or MyFitnessPal. Test for ketones using urine strips or a blood ketone meter, if you want to be exact. One bite of pasta or a single donut can kick you out of ketosis for days. That's why the keto diet isn't just about what you eat, it's about how consistent you are. Common mistakes people make on keto. Even if you're trying your best, some small things can ruin your progress. Mistake number 1, eating too much protein. Protein can convert into glucose through a process called gluconeogenesis. Too much, and your body thinks you're back on carbs. Mistake number 2, eating hidden carbs. Many processed keto snacks still contain maltodextrin or hidden sugars. Mistake number 3, not eating enough fat. You need to fuel your body, not starve it. If you're hungry, increase your fats. Mistake number 4, not preparing meals in advance. If you don't have keto meals ready, you'll reach for whatever's convenient, and that usually isn't keto. Mistake number 5, giving up too early. The first few weeks are hard, but results don't come in 2 days. Give it time. So, what's the real secret to a successful keto diet? Here it is: preparation, not mindset, not willpower, not fat bombs or fancy keto supplements. Preparation is everything. People who succeed on keto plan their meals ahead, stock up on the right foods, and remove temptation from their homes. They know exactly what they're eating for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and they stick to it. It's not about being perfect, it's about being ready. Want an example? Let's say you're hungry after work. You walk into your kitchen, there's leftover rice and chocolate cake on the counter. Your fridge has no keto meals prepped. What do? Exactly. You eat whatever's there. That's human. Now picture this. You come home to a fridge with keto-friendly chicken salad, hard-boiled eggs, some sliced cheese, and avocados. You're full in 10 minutes and stay in ketosis. That's the power of preparation. It removes decision fatigue. It makes keto automatic. Let's quickly go over the core ideas. Keto works when you understand what to eat and what to avoid. Tracking macros helps keep you in ketosis. Meal prepping is the true game changer. Don't fall for common mistakes like hidden sugars or protein overload. And most importantly, consistency beats perfection every time. It's not about chasing perfection, it's about creating a system you can stick to. A rhythm, a lifestyle, and hey, if you've failed before, don't beat yourself up. Keto isn't easy at the start, but with the right plan and a bit of patience, the results are absolutely worth it. So if you're serious about getting your keto journey right, make sure you explore www.nutrislab.com. We've got expert articles, in-depth reviews, and some of the best health content you'll find online, all built to help you reach your goals faster. We even have tips on keto snacks, keto-friendly foods, and ways to deal with cravings, all based on real science, not hype. Want more like this? Check out the links in the description for detailed guides and free resources. Also, let us know in the comments. What's your biggest struggle with keto? Is it cravings, meal planning, motivation? Let's help each other out down there. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.